Hey guys, a very warm welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen this face, please do consider subscribing to my channel and also hit that bell icon right beside the subscribe button. Today's video is going to be all about hauls. Today's haul is going to be a Myntra haul, specifically an H&M. I am going to show you what all I have bought off from H&M, and we are also going to style some of those pieces, and I'm going to show you how you can style some of the basic pieces that I have bought from H&M. And I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please do consider subscribing this channel. Let this family grow. On that point, how have you guys been doing? It's been quarantine time. It's been a long time since we are confined in the walls of our home. So do comment down below how you have spent your quarantine time, and let's share with each other what we have done during this hard times. So without wasting any more time, let's hop on into the video. So yes, these are the very few pieces that I got from H&M. The first is a white tank top, and I got two t-shirts which are white and black, one sweatpant peach colored, and one checkered pant. The first look that I have come up is with the peach pant and the t-shirt, which I have tied a knot in front, and I have accessorized with very plain simple jewelry and my bag, and yeah, that's it. Now guys, I do have a pear-shaped body, so these pants were looking very wide on me, and to be very honest, I was not very pleased with this look. So to balance the look and to give it a little bit of Indo-Western touch, I took this shrug blue in color, and it has very nice Indian style prints, and I layered it over my dress, and yeah, it gave me a very balanced look, and I liked that about it. This is also an advice to all the girls who do have a pear-shaped body, is that you can layer up to make your look more proportionate, and yeah, that's it. For the next look, I used the tank top, and it was very long, so I folded it up right onto the bust, and yeah, don't mind the tag, and this is the look. And here is me being a little extra and taking out my suitcase and trying to make some poses out of it. Again, my Brahmastra rule has come into play, and I have started layering. So this time I've used a shirt and layered it over the outfit, and yeah, it looks very nice. If you want, you can drop one shoulder of the shirt and make it look a little more stylish. This bag also gives a very nice touch to the overall outfit. Next up, I'm all about business, and so I have worn this black t-shirt and paired it with the checkered pant. I have taken this brown belt and a very nice sophisticated watch, and wore the necklace and also a pearl earring, which makes it a very sophisticated look, and it's perfect for office. A girl is all about parties, so if you are going from the office to a party, just bring down the shoulders of your t-shirt and tie a knot, and yeah, put your hair up with some hoop earrings, and you're good to go. for my girls who are not that comfortable with off shoulders, you can always put up the shoulder and keep everything same. When has a white t-shirt hurt anybody? So yeah, here in this look I have took off my belt and changed the black t-shirt for a white, and yeah, kept everything the same. So the belt is back, guys, and to be very honest, it gives a very nice structure to my waistline and it gives a very proportionate look as well. So how did you guys like the video? I hope you liked it, and I hope you liked some of the outfits there and you got some inspiration from this. I have a pear-shaped body, if you guys didn't know. I kind of understood my body type and I do not blame myself to have this kind of a body type, and I do choose outfits on the basis of my body type. I hope you like this video, and if you like, please do consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.